friends. We are going to Nagarkovil Nagaraja temple. Okay. और क्या बोलना?
This is just 800 meters from here.
इधर से 100 मीटर में तो नागराजा टेम्पल में पहुंच जाएगा हमने.
Okay, this is my friend Sudhir. He specially flown from Kerala with me for this tour, and we are now walking to Nagaraj Kovel because we have an appointment with the Pujari there because he has called us there at around 9:30 and already it is 9:13 here, and it's just around 600 meters walk from this. I'll just like to tell you about Nagar Kovel. Nagar means it is Naga. And second thing is Kovil means in Tamil it is temple. This temple we are going to visit is around 2000 years old temple which features Vishnu, Krishna, Rama, Sita, and the main deity in this temple is the Naga. Naga is the same Sheshayana which is there, and this is just we took this hotel because of this temple here, and tomorrow definitely our visit will be to Kanyakumari and Dr. Richardson's hospital because we need to, my friend Sudhir, his beard, everything was done specifically by Richardson's to found this beard thing. Okay, so now we are walking from this street, and once we are there we'll try to go inside. Yesterday we had tried to ask for the permissions for a photo shoot there, but still the authorities said they will let us know. Thank you. Okay friends, while going to Nagarkovil we saw one of the smallest and one of the antique temples here, which is on the past of the road as we walk from the lanes, because there is only small vehicle movement today, and the temple's main rush and crowd is on Sunday because it's his day on Sunday. So today is Monday, so Monday is a Shiva day, so we'll try to visit one of the Shiva temple also. It is somewhere nearby on this in the same village. This is Nagarkovel is the smallest hamlet in the southern part of Tamil Nadu, okay, and which features a lot of medical facilities as well as lot of carniofficial hospitals are there. Some international brands hospitals are there. Around 25 hospitals feature in this smallest hamlet of Nagarkovel. Okay, and that's it. I had last night I had a small surgery at Richardson because my doctor Sunil Richardson, he just flew today to Amman for one of the surgeries there, so might be he is coming back on Thursday, he said. So here and there it was just a cosmetic surgery because earlier he done my rhinoplasty, nose tips, this and all, just to enhance. Earlier last year he done my small hair transplants here and there because I needed small, okay, and now he's worked out on my eye because I had a very bad trauma in 2018. So that's it. So we are walking near the temple. So actually I'll be featuring on Thursday Dr. Richardson. He's one of the biggest surgeons, so hopefully he'll be there on Thursday and we can have a small interview with him. Thanks. Okay friends, we have now reached outside the temple Nagarkovel, and there is Sudhir. He's just walking there because he has to attend the puja, and there is no much crowd today since it is Monday. Sunday was the day. Okay, and this is the main entrance where we are walking, and there is a big Reliance mall here which is called Reliance Mall. we'll try to visit in the afternoon today because morning today it is closed. Okay, so this is the entrance. Don't know from where we'll be able to shoot the video. So we'll try to locate the pujari which we had spoken yesterday. So he had told us that he will be helping us to take some shoot inside. And this is the dwar here. Back. Yesterday I had covered the back side of the temple with a small featured video because we didn't have any permission to shoot there. So that's it. Sudhir is just running away near the. So some brief thing about the temple. Here it is. And we are going to keep our chappals now. This is the chappal house of the temple. So now Sudhir will be trying to locate the pujari in the temple. We are going from the entrance inside this temple. When we enter in the temple, we need to remove our shirt, and ladies can go only with a sari inside the temple. So, but definitely Sudhir will be removing his shirt while entering the temple premises. Then this is the main dwar here, and Sudhir is now removing his shirt for this. Okay, done. Now Sudhir has to remove his shirt. So, and this is one gentleman we found here. He's a very nice person. You will like to.
Hare Krishna, I am Sriram Bhaktavatsal Das from ISKCON Hyderabad. This is the culture here, this is the culture of Kerala. This actually this state is belongs to Tamil Nadu, but this culture is Kerala culture. It is here written. Wherever you go in temple, they didn't allow upper garments, means like banyan, shirt, nothing. Just we should remove and go inside. That is this culture. Hare Krishna.
So here no one is allowed inside with a shirt, t-shirt, anything. Okay, and okay, I'll try to see inside how it is. This is a very old antique temple actually.
वो हम तो टेंपल का अंदर आ गया अभी इसका अंदर है ना और मोबाइल आगे लेके नहीं जा सकता हूँ ये तो बंद करना पड़ेगा इधर मोबाइल बाकी हम थोड़ी देर के बाद में शूटिंग करके आपको बताएगा.
So this is the stump here, and this is the view of the outside temple. This is the hundi. Okay, and it's a very nice interiors here of the temple. Okay, so and this features the actually Naga skin here inside. Few people can see. Okay, this is the thing. We don't know from how much where we can. We tried to shoot some of the photos from inside while no one was there. So we had to wait for a long time to do this shoot. This is one of the rare because you might not find it on the YouTube also. So we are waiting for the Pujari to give us a short intro about this temple. He said that he will be free by 10 o'clock. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. This is the one of the temple of Anantasesha, means snake. Generally for Rahu and Ketu in overall India you can see two deities, but here only one deity, Rahu and Ketu. This is a Swayambhu, and from here downside of surrounding that deity, sand is there. That sand, half of here it is white, half of here it is black. It turns. That is the one specialty. And here you can see so many Naga Pratimas there. Whoever have some problems in Kundalini, for that
Specifically like Ashlesha Nakshatra and all. That's what my Pandit told inside.
they come and they do these things. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Adikesha temple from here to near about 40 to 50 kilometers near Atur. It is a very oldest ancient temple. From here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got two books. One is what is that? Two ancient books, very important for ISKCON. That is 1 minute. I will tell. Forgot. Brahma Samhita and Gita Govindam. This is the two very important books Chaitanya Mahaprabhu got from here. That is the very great.
And it is just 45 kilometers from here, no?
Yes.
So probably we might visit tomorrow because he says that it might get closed by the time we do the Abhisheka here, because 10 o'clock we have our Abhisheka inside. Inside. Because now the Pandit will be calling him. Sudhir wants to do it. He specially come from Kerala for our this.
Okay, can I also attend?
Ask him. Yeah, you can attend. Basically you can come also.
1 minute. Hare Krishna. ये temple specifically for Aslesha Nakshatra who have they visit in their life at least one time. Here it is the main specialty for them. Whoever whatever problems they have, they can for reducing and getting relief from the effects, bad effects, whatever there. For that purpose, mostly they visit this temple. Hare Krishna.
And can you tell us something about the Vishnu deities and all? Because I seen lot of idols which are related only to Vishnu, like Rama, Krishna, Parshurama. Yes, lot of this in this line.
1 minute, I will go and
Yeah, have a look and let us know what it is. Because we'll be here only. We'll look up to your bag. He is one of the devotees. He has specifically come from Hyderabad, and he knows a lot of specific thing about the temple. He might be specifically doing, okay, and with his proper entire, he came here. So he'll be specifically going inside and speaking with the, by the time we'll shoot it again.
हरे कृष्ण. ये मंदिर के ऊपर हम देख सकते हैं गोपुर कुछ नहीं है. ये और एक स्पेशलिटी है इधर, एक विशेष है इधर. और हम देख सकते हैं वाल के ऊपर, मतलब प्रहरी, उनके ऊपर नाग मूर्तियाँ रखा है. हम किधर भी जाते हैं ना, वो नाग देवता हमको मिलेगा. और एक चीज़ है, अभी उधर बाहर कार्तिकेय और कृष्णा और काली देवी ये तीनों का मूर्ति भी है। और क्या बस।
और सेकंड थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, दिस इज द ओनली नागा टेम्पल नागराजा इन कन्याकुमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट,
Yes, that's why
because some call it Nagarkoil.
the name itself came from this. Nagar means Nagadevata and Koil means
Temple, yeah.
Nagarkoil means Nagadevata temple. Because of this is only one temple, that's why the name specifically comes.
Because lot of people get confused saying that in Kanyakumari there is one more Nagaraja temple
No, no.
and Nagar. Okay, Kanyakumari is the big district,
Big district.
and this is
only the
specifically and the name given to this village. This is a small hamlet in the southern hemisphere of Tamil Nadu. So that's why they have called it Nagar Kovil. Nagar means a snake or Naga, Sheshaina, and Kovil is a temple.
Yes,
Okay, so there is no any other temple in Kanyakumari. So this is the only for tourist or tourism. They say it is in Kanyakumari
Yes.
because everyone says. Last time
Because
when I had gone
everybody
to
knows in whole India
Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari.
Yeah, because
Nobody
the same
knows-
thing happened with Richardson when my friend went there for his beard transplant. They said Richardson Hospital is in Kanyakumari. But when I came last 1 year back also, they said it's in Nagarkoil. So it is a confusion between Kanyakumari and Nagarkoil. Then it is just 8 kilometers from here, and 16 kilometers is the main statue which is of the tourism from Nagarkoil.
Yes,
So, and it is like a beautiful hamlet which I have taken lot other for
And here also one waterfalls is there. You can see.
nearer, very nearer.
Very near.
Okay.
Within 6 kilometers, I don't maybe 5 to 6 kilometers, and very nice. What is that? Tourist spot also.
Spot also is there.
For who want to live peacefully. For them, it is very nice for youth.
Okay,
and
good
old age.
information. Okay, let's see. Now it's nearly 10 o'clock, so we'll going for the puja now inside. So Archana, Puja and Abhisheka main, because he called, they fixed the timing at around 10 o'clock. So it's better we found you. Hare Krishna.
ಅದು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಚಿರಲ್ಲ
Disney Ponta.
ತಿರುಚಿ ಮೇನ್
So this is the main temple from inside of Nagarkoil, and so just Sudhir has come outside with doing the puja, performing, and our Panditji also. They both are now exiting outside from, and we are inside. I am inside the main garba of the temple. This is not allowed for the shooting. Still, we took the permission from the pujari to do a little of it, so at least our subscribers can see this. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, share Goa News Update. Have a nice day. May Lord Vishnu and Lord Naga bless you all always. Thank you.